team of commando personnel including Women Police of Thobal Police Station led by Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order Thobal T.H. Desozit conducted a cordon and search operation early this morning at Hayai Labu Kangabok. Altogether, 414 individuals were verified during the search drive, out of which 4 were picked up by the police team for further verification. Ahead of the June 18 uprising, the Social Upliftment Organization SUWO today conducted a cleanliness program at Kekrupat, Imphal. The organization said the program will continue till tomorrow. Iramdam Manipur Artists Association IMAA Palace Compound Imphal observes its 6th Foundation Day today at the residence of its president B. Neta Chandra Sharma in Brahmapur, Nahabam, Bamolakai, Imphal. Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb, during his address at the 5th Governing Council meeting of Niti Aayog, chaired by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi yesterday, expressed that with the upcoming of the inland water transport project in the state, Tripura could be converted into the gateway to the northeast. He opined that this project may be expedited and grounded at earliest by declaration of Liwa Gomati as Indo-Bangladesh Protocol route, etc. In its charge sheet filed recently in a Jammu court, the National Investigation Agency NIA has said that the Islamic State in Jammu and Kashmir ISJK has a Pakistani connection. According to sources, the agency, however, does not authenticate on how it reached the conclusion about the Pakistani identity of the 4 agents of ISJK terrorists arrested last year, namely Tahir Ahmad Khan, Haris Mustang Khan, Asif Suhail Nadaf and Asif Masjid. Each state must aim to at least double its economy if the country is to achieve the target of a $5 trillion economy by 2024, Prime Minister Narendra Modi told the chief ministers gathered for the Niti Aayog's 5th Governing Council meeting yesterday. The goal to make India a $5 trillion economy by 2024 is challenging but can surely be achieved, the Prime Minister added. The Election Commission announced that by-elections to 6 Rajya Sabha seats in Orissa, Gujarat and Bihar will be held on July 5. Counting of votes would be done on the same day. 3 seats from Orissa are currently vacant in the upper house, while the number of Rajya Sabha vacancies from Gujarat and Bihar are 2 and 1 respectively. Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman blamed Iran for attacks on 2 oil tankers in the Gulf of Oman and called on the international community to take a decisive stand, according to sources today, but said that the kingdom does not want a war in the region.